leads in sustainable innovation, exemplified by the Sustainable City, Dubai Frame, Burj Khalifa and Burj Al Arab, as well as the Museum of the Future. Our school, Habitat Al Tallah, contributes to this innovation and makes the UAE proud by integrating solar panels for eco-friendly energy and fostering a culture of innovation where students engage in IT, AI and robotics projects. By nurturing communication, collaboration and teamwork, we, the students of Habitat Al Tallah, gain valuable exposure, excelling in innovation and reinforcing the UAE's commitment to a sustainable, high-tech future.
My name is Alia and I have two of my kids in Habitat. I'm really very excited to be waiting for this event because I'm really impressed by these kids, how they are coming up with these challenges, how they're coming up with these great ideas in this driven world controlled with AI. Okay, thanks to the Habitat School for giving them this opportunity.
It's great how the event is scheduled, and surprised to see a lot of young kids doing amazing things.
It feels very happy to be here because we got to see a lot of new projects by these kids, very advanced in their thoughts, and all have connected their projects with their sustainable development goals, and that is really amazing.